It's Food Brainwash, boosting your cooking knowledge. In today's episode, we're going to be making Thai pumpkin soup. Here are the delicious ingredients you're going to need to make Thai pumpkin soup. Let's prepare the pumpkin. Always keep your fingers well away from the knife blade. The pumpkin is quite tough, so you'll need to apply quite a bit of force to get the knife through. If you need help, please just ask. Next, we're going to remove all the seeds from inside the pumpkin. After that, we're going to use a spoon to scoop out the remaining parts. Use your knife carefully to trim the skin from the pumpkin. Flip the pumpkin over and then continue cutting on the other side. Slice the top of the onion off. Careful, don't chop the root off. Use your bridge grip to slice the onion in half. Slice the onion through the center, or twice if you have a large onion. Now slice vertically through the onion all the way down, but be careful not to cut through the root. Next, we are going to use your claw grip to slice through the onion. Prepare to use the knife properly and safely when you are chopping the garlic, as it is quite small. After adding the oil, switch the stove on to number 5, which is a medium heat. Use the timer and set it for 6 minutes. Fry the onion and celery until they become soft. This should take around 4 to 6 minutes. Get ready. Next we're going to add in the garlic and the Thai basil leaves. Then we're going to add the Thai green curry paste and fry until you can smell the beautiful aroma. Once the paste has released its aroma, you're ready to add the pumpkin. Place the pan lid on the soup and leave it to cook for 15 to 20 minutes or until the pumpkin has softened. Now that your soup has finished cooking, you're going to stir in the coconut milk. We are now going to blend our soup to a smooth consistency. Take care when using the immersion blender as the soup is very hot and I wouldn't want you to splash yourself with the soup. Your soup is now ready to serve. Place it in a bowl, Pour a little bit of coconut cream in and garnish with some coriander.